So I just got this package from blackstuff.com and it's full of soap. And while this is great, I have no place to store these. So I thought, I have a 3D printer, why not 3D print a case for these? So I can just have these in the case and hopefully keep them safe from humidity until I use them, because there's 12 of these and I think humidity destroys it, but if it doesn't, at least it's nicely hidden in the case. So let's get to measuring and see what kind of box we can come up with. That should be all the measurements we need. So let's move to FreeCAD and let's see what we can do. Now that we printed the soap holder, I think I want to make a couple changes. First of all, although this looks nice, the only thing is, because the soap, like you can see here, is sticking out. And that means these round cutouts are kind of pointless, which means we could make this wall way thinner so that we can fit more soap into one box. And I do want to have some kind of separator, but it doesn't need to be this big. So let's make that change. Basically just copy paste of the same thing, but we're gonna make a version 2. Okay, now we have the second one, and I ran out of filament here, as you can see. Also here I ran out of brown mid print, which is fine. This is gonna be in the back of my closet anyways. This one can fit 10, this one can fit 6. And box number 1, it's almost a kilo, 920 grams, which is quite a lot of filament for 6 pieces of soap. This one 842, so even though this fits more soap, it's a little bit lighter. Then size wise it's a little bit smaller that way and also this way, but height is the same. But this is good for aesthetics, this is good for actual functionality. So now that we printed these 2 cases, and you also saw a little bit of the design process, we are done with this project, and I'm gonna put this in the closet so they are where they belong. If you're interested in this soap, the soap is from a company called The Black Stuff. So they make these soaps and other kinds of natural handmade products. So if you're interested, check them out. This is not a sponsor, it's just a product that I bought and I happen to like. If you want the files for the boxes, you can find the link in the description and you can download either one of these. And if the part where I designed these products is interesting, please let me know, because I can include them or remove them completely if it's not something that you want. Or I can make the design sections longer or shorter, depending on what you like. Or maybe even make a completely separate video on just designing stuff for 3D printing. So if that's something that you're interested in, please let me know. So yeah, now that we have a place for the soap, I can put it where it belongs. And if you enjoyed this video, maybe you enjoy this one as well, right here. Leave a like, comment what you think, and we'll see you on the next one.